Hi everyone, welcome to the course. Today I'm going to share with you how to download Android Studio and how to install and how to set up the whole environment. So to download Android Studio, you simply go to your browser and just type Android Studio or download Android Studio. You will get the first link, and when you click this link, here you will get the download Android Studio option. So you can click on this, then scroll down to select the license. Okay, check this option and then click download. When you click this download, this installation will start. It takes some time because its size is 872 MB at this moment. So once the download complete, then you can open and then you can start the installation. So double click to start the installation. It's a very straightforward process. Just click next, next, and next. Most of the time just select the default values. Okay, in my case I have already installed. This is why it give me the uninstall option. So you just click next, 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 next until finish. So I will cancel this. Okay, once you download it, then you can open Android Studio. In my case, depends on your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows 11. So just search here. You can search here also, like you see Android Studio. So Android Studio will open like this. Then you will have these several options. Maybe the first screen is a bit more different than this one because I have already created one project. So of course, and at whatever situation, you will have the option to create a new project or to open existing project or get some project from GitHub. This one is get from version control system. It means from a GitHub. Our target is to create a new project. So in this case, we will select the very basic one, empty activity. These are different templates that we can use it, but later on at this moment select the empty activity, and if you see on the left hand side, make sure that it is full and tablets are selected, because you know that Android Studio can be used for smart watches, for Android TV, and for automotive and etc. And so this one, make sure that the phone and tablets are selected, and then select empty activity and then click next. Here you can give any name that you want. For example, if I just give a tutorial. Okay, so this one, the package name will be selected for you automatically, so no need to change. And this one you can change if you want that where this project will be stored. So you can change to any place that you want, but in my case I will just keep it default. Here this one is the options, that which language you want to use. For this course we will go to Kotlin, and later on I will explain to you why we are going to Kotlin, because Kotlin is actually the latest and Google official language for Android development now. So the next step, the next option is minimum SDK. It means that this software, this app that you are going to build, this will support up to what level of minimum SDK. Minimum SDK means how many old mobiles should be able to run this app. So it's up to you again that which one you want to select, but most of the time just select the default one. Okay, and after that click finish. Once you click finish, Android Studio will start the Gradle build and will do the basic setup for you. You see here it is loading. Okay, so depends on the computer speed and laptop speed, so it takes a bit time. This is the first interface. Now we need to install some component of the Android Studio that we need for the development. So if you look at this small icon, if you bring your mouse over on it, then it is called SDK Manager. So click this one. Once you open this, these are the different Android versions that Android Studio can support. In my case, I have selected Android Q, Android version 10, and API 32. It's up to you, whatever you want to select. Okay, then select this, and then you can click apply. Then it will ask for the license agreement, and it will automatically download and install, but you need to connect to internet at this time. After that, click SDK tools. These are some important tools that you must need to install. So select Android SDK build tools, and after that Android emulator. And if your laptop or computer processor is AMD, then select this one also. If not AMD, then no. If it is Intel, then no need to click this one. And Android SDK platform, the Android emulator is important. Okay, we will set up this later. Then Android SDK platform and Google USB driver. The Google USB driver, when you later on connect the actual device, actual mobile through USB to the computer, then it needs these drivers. Then the mobile will be accessible from your laptop. And select this one also, the emulator accelerator. It just speed up the emulator process. And once you select all these, then click apply and OK. The Android SDK will ask you for the license agreement, and then it will download and install. You see, in my case, you see here I have Pixel 2 API 29, but in your case here will be written no device, meaning to say that there is no emulator is created that you should test this app on that emulator. So in that case, you need to click this device manager. And here you see, in my case I have already created, but in your case this will be totally empty, and here something will be written. So you can create there a create virtual device. In my case here is a create device. So when you click this one, so here are, you see again TV, phone, where operating system, but make sure it is phone. Okay, so here several different options are available, but here is one tricky point. So you see, for example, the default one, if I go through this one and click next, so you see these are the different version that when we were downloading and installing the Android Studio, so these are actually downloaded. In my case, I have downloaded the Q version. This is the latest, actually the latest versions of Android. If you see here, the version is given. So I have downloaded the Q version and even this version also. So in both case, whatever you want. So if, for example, in this case, so if I go this one and click next, okay, so here is the device name. If you want to change, you can change. Okay, you can select its startup orientation, like how it should display at the beginning. So select portrait, and after that click advanced settings. In the advanced setting, if you go down, so here we need to change some other options. But before going to change other options, look at this graphic option. If this graphic option is dead, it means that actually the selected emulator, that the emulator that you have selected, it is not working. It's not compatible with your laptop. Then what to do? Go back. Okay, go back again and select in another version. For example, I selected Nexus 5. Okay, so if I click this one and go next, and yeah, so you see in this case again, in my case again it doesn't work. Okay, so I will go back. So Nexus 5, this one, let's select this one, the another new version of Android. So it's again not working. In my case, I think I have already created. Let me go back and check another one. Let's suppose Nexus 6. So if I go this and click next, so you see now the automatic the graphic setting is open, clickable. It means this emulator is working on my computer. So once you get this graphic card option, that it is not dead and it is clickable, it means this is working on it. Then you should go down, and here you should change the size of internal storage. What does it mean? It means actually that when you are testing several apps on this emulator, the emulator is like a like a mobile, but software. It's just like a simulation of the actual device. So here mostly it depends on your memory, that how much memory you have on your laptop, but better to give around 7, 8 or 10 gigabytes. So this one by default is um, 2 gigabyte, but let's suppose select 7 gigabyte. Okay, once you select change this one, after that just click finish and then it will be created. So you see, now I have Pixel 2 also, and Nexus 5 also. Okay, so here these are again the different options. Now you can start the device. Okay, you can open the device, you can edit its options. You see, when you click it, you can again click its options. You can apply different options from here, like wipe its data, duplicate it, or maybe even delete it if you want. So in my case, I want to delete this one because I don't need it. I already have one. So uh, let's to start this emulator, just click this start option. So you see here, you will see that the emulator is starting. Okay, so once it start, you see it will looks like here like a mobile actual device. So after that you can click on this minimize option, that will be minimized and the emulator will be maximized.